So I've been using this water kettle from the Basics brand for the last 5 years and it's held up well. I like using this. It's very simple. As you can see, you click over the top, you put the water in and you close it. One button touch to turn it on. And this is about this much full right here. And I'll just show you an example of how it works. Now, this is pretty beat up. I'm using it for 5 years. I do clean it from now every now and then, but certain things got touched next to it, like a bag, and it kind of imprinted the ink from that bag, but the overall experience of using it has stayed the same. No issues with this. And here you can hear it boiling. It's already doing its job. Now, because I use only a little bit of water just for this example, it's faster than usual. If you were to fill it all the way, it could take about 2 minutes to fully start going before it boils. But it's very efficient, it's very fast, and it's just plugged in straight to the wall. I have no issues using this at all. It's just been very bulletproof, solid, consistent, and a very good alternative to other brands that might be more well known. But the Basics brand has done its job. And here, now I have it about a quarter of a liter, and it's already about to boil, which is very fast. I'm talking all this time, it's about 50 seconds to boil. And there, here you go. You can see the water is boiling. It's done. This light will turn off once it's boom, done. You can pour this into your cup and voila. Our water kettle has been a good investment on my part, and it's a little beat up, but it does its job.